The shadow of the tower standing on a level ground. The shadow of the tower. AB is the tower. That is the height of the tower. The shadow of a tower standing on the level ground is found to be 40 meters longer when the sun's altitude is 30 than when it is 60. इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? जब ए एंगल 30 का होगा और 30 से ए एंगल कितना होता है 60 का, तो शेडो कितना मीटर लॉन्ग हो जाता है 40 मीटर लॉन्गर देन द सन्स अल्टीट्यूड। तो पहले एंगल समझते हैं दोनों का। इफ दैट एंगल इज 30 डिग्री, ओके, सन यहाँ पे है सुबह, फिर सन ऊपर की साइड जाता है, यहां से ऊपर की साइड जाता है, तो वो एंगल क्या होगा इंक्रीज होगा। इसमें एंगल क्या हुआ, पहले 30 डिग्री का एंगल था, फिर वो एंगल कितना हो गया 60 डिग्री का। तो इज फाउंड टू बी 40 मीटर लॉन्गर। अब ये कितना हो गया 40 मीटर लॉन्गर, 40 मीटर longer when the sun's altitude is 30 then when it is 60। जब 30 से 60 होता है तब वो शेडो कितना 40 मीटर लॉन्गर, पहले 60 से लेके 30 तक ये दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है 40 मीटर्स का है। ओके, ये समझना है। मॉर्निंग में सन इस साइड होता है तो वो शेडो क्या होता है थोड़ा ज्यादा होता है, और जब ये एंगल बड़ा हो जाएगा तो ये शेडो की साइड क्या हो जाएगी छोटी हो जाएगी। तो और इन दोनों का डिफरेंस क्या है, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द एंगल 30 एंड 60, दैट इज द 40 मीटर। तो फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द टावर, हमें हाइट ऑफ द टावर फाइंड करना है, दैट इज इक्वल टू एच मीटर। तो ये पॉइंट सी है और ये पॉइंट डी है। तो पहले हमें टावर की यहाँ पे टावर की हाइट फाइंड करनी है। व्हाट इज द हाइट ऑफ द टावर, हाइट ऑफ द टावर इज इक्वल टू एच मीटर, जो हमें फाइंड करना है। इसका डिस्टेंस दिया है बी सी इज इक्वल टू, हम समझ लेते हैं एक्स मीटर है, एंड एंगल बी इज ए राइट एंगल। ओके, पहले फिगर कंस्ट्रक्ट करनी चाहिए। ए 60 ले लोगे तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा रॉन्ग हो जाएगा। ओके, तो चलो इन फिगर, in the figure, what is the height of AB? AB is equal to h meter, that is the height of the tower. BC is equal to x meter. CD is equal to 40 meter. What is the length of BD? BD is equal to BC plus CD, that is equal to h plus 40 meter. Angle ACB is 60 and angle ADB is 30 degree. So first we find out in triangle ABC tan 60. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore tan 60 is equal to AB by क्या होगा BC, perpendicular divided by base. What is AB? AB is equal to H, BC is equal to X. And what is the value of tan 60? That is root 3. ओके, tan 60 इज रूट 3, तो h इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा आंसर, हाइट ऑफ द टावर इज रूट 3 इंटू एक्स मीटर। हाइट इज इक्वल टू रूट 3 इंटू एक्स मीटर। ओके, हाइट इज इक्वल टू रूट 3 इंटू एक्स मीटर। क्लियर? दैट इज द हाइट ऑफ द टावर। वी टेक अनदर ट्राइंगल ABD. इन ट्राइंगल ABD, which angle is 90? Angle B is 90. Therefore tan 30 is equal to AB divided by BD. AB divided by BD. What is the value of tan 30? It is equal to 1 by root 3. AB is equal to H, BD is equal to X plus 40. And X plus 40 multiply with 1 and root 3 multiply H. H plus 40, that is equal to root 3 into H. What is the value of H? H की वैल्यू क्या है root 3 into X. Put this value H is equal to root 3 into X. Okay, therefore x plus 40 is equal to root 3, or what is the value of h? H is equal to root 3 into x. So x plus 40, that is equal to 3x, and 3x minus x, that is equal to 40. Therefore 2x is equal to 40. Therefore x is equal to 20. Okay, that distance is 20 meter. But we find out the value of height of the tower. Height of the tower is h. Therefore h is equal to root 3 into x. Put this value, root 3 into x. X is equal to 20. Therefore height of the tower is 20 root 3 meter. And we have to find out. Okay, x is equal to height of the tower, that is equal to 20 root 3. The angle of the depression of the top and bottom of an 8-meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building. The angle of the depression, top and bottom of an 8-meter tall building. A 8-meter tall building है. AB is the 8-meter tall building. That is a building. 8-meter tall building. The angle of the depression of the top and bottom of a 8-meter tall building from the top of the multi-storied building. Multi-storied building के top से हम देख रहे हैं. That is a multi-storied building is CD. That is a multi-storied building. Top के साथ एंगल क्या होगा? That angle is 30 degree. That point is E. Angle of the depression is 30. There alternate interior angle is 30. टॉप के साथ एंगल क्या होगा? 30 डिग्री का. एंड बॉटम के साथ एंगल क्या होगा? एंगल of the bottom, that is a 45 degree. That angle is 45 degree. Okay, that angle is 45 degree. Find the height of the multi-storied building. That angle is also 45 degree. So find the height of the multi-storied building, that is equal to h meter. And the distance between the two buildings. हमें find क्या करना? Distance between the two buildings, that is equal to x meter. साथ में ये भी हमें फाइंड करना है. Okay. Here AB is equal to 8 meters, that is the height of the building. CD is equal to h meter, that is the height of the multi-storied building. AB जितना होगा उतना ही हाइट किसकी होगी? C की होगी. C is also 8 meter. So what is the height of DE? Distance of DE? इसकी हाइट क्या होगी? DE की हाइट. DE is equal to CD minus क्या होगा? C. DE is equal to CD minus CE. CD minus CE. What is the height of CD? That is equal to h. What is the height of CE? It is exactly AB. AB is equal to 8. H minus 8 meter. Clear? और BC जितना होगा उतना ही AE होगा. BC and AE are, that is equal to x. BC is equal to AE, that is equal to x meter. First we take a triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Okay, और ये angle 45 है. So height of the multi-storied building and the distance between two buildings is also same. Because A angle 45 है तो AB 45 होगा. In triangle BCD, that is an isosceles right angle triangle. तो ये दोनों height और distance दोनों क्या होंगे? Equal. In triangle BCD, angle C is 90, tan 45 degree, that is equal to CD into क्या होगा? BC. CD divided by BC. CD divided by BC. Tan 45 value is 1. CD is equal to h. BC is equal to x. तो हाइट ऑफ द मल्टी स्टोरेड बिल्डिंग एंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू बिल्डिंग बोथ आर सेम। ओके, ये दोनों की वैल्यू क्या होगी, इक्वल। ओके, चलो वी टेक अनदर राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल एडीई। इन ट्राइंगल एईडी, otherwise ADE, angle is 90 degree. What here the angle is 30, tan 30. That is equal to DE by AE. DE by AE. What is the value of tan 30? Is 1 by root 3. And DE is equal to CD minus C. That height is equal to H minus 8. Divided by AE. AE is equal to BC and BC is equal to X. That is therefore AB is equal to X. But what is X? X is equal to H. X और H की वैल्यू दोनों क्या है, सेम। तो X मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1, X root 3 H minus 8. Therefore H is equal to, put X is equal to H. H is equal to root 3 H minus 8 root 3. Okay, interchanging the terms. 8 root 3 हम राइट साइड ले लेंगे, लेफ्ट साइड ले लेंगे और H को इस साइड, root 3H minus H. Which term is common? H is common, root 3 minus 1. Okay, root 3 minus was convert into denominator form. 8 root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1. But denominator is irrational number. Rationalizing the denominator, root 3 minus root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. So in numerator 8 root 3 into bracket root 3 plus 1. Or a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square. A square means root 3 square, b square means 1. Root 3 square is 3 minus 1. That is equal to 8 root 3 by root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. That final answer is 4 root 3 into bracket root 3 plus 1 meter. That is the height of the multi-story building. It is same as the distance between two buildings. Okay, therefore height of the multi-storied building H is equal to 4 square root 3 plus 1, and distance between the building and multi-storied building is also 4 root 3 into bracket root 3 plus 1. Okay, that is final answer. Both are same. Here, from a point on a bridge across a river. ये पूरी रिवर्स है यहाँ पे और ऊपर ये पूरा ब्रिज है. That point is A and point B. That is the length of the bridge. That is the length of the bridge. From a point on a bridge across a river, the angle of the depression of the bank of the opposite side of the river. ये दोनों साइड यहाँ पे that is the bank of the river. Point C and point D. That is the length bank of the river. Point C and point D. Of the river are 30 and 45. कोई एक पॉइंट से यहाँ पे ये एंगल कितना है? From a point on the bridge across a river, कोई एक पॉइंट से ये दोनों पॉइंट का एंगल क्या है? That angle is depression, angle of the depression. That angle is 30 degree. From a point on the bridge, ब्रिज के ऊपर के कोई एक पॉइंट से, पॉइंट P से across a river, the angle of the depression means downside of the bank of the opposite side of the river. ये दोनों रिवर के opposite point है C and D. And the angle of the depression is 30 degree. That angle is also 30 degree. That is PQ. And that another angle is 45. Another angle is 45. और ये भी एंगल क्या होगा? 45 degree. If the bridge is at a height of 3 meter, bridge की height क्या है? 3 meters. That is PQ is equal to 3 meter. Okay, find the width of the river. हमें find क्या करना है? Width of the river is CD. Okay, width of the river is CD. CD की length हमें find करनी है. Okay, here PQ is equal to 3 meter. That is the height of the river. Okay, PQ is equal to 3 meter. Suppose CQ is equal to X and QD is equal to Y. CQ is equal to X meter and QD is equal to Y meter. That make an angle 90 degree. यहाँ पे मैंने स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी है. ओके, चलो. We take a triangle PCQ. In triangle PQC, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. तो ये परपेंडिकुलर साइड हमारे पास है, बेस नहीं है. परपेंडिकुलर है, बेस नहीं है. तो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ tan 30? tan 30 is equal to PQ divided by CQ. Perpendicular divided by base. tan 30 की वैल्यू PQ is equal to 3, CQ is equal to X. So what is the value of X? 3 root 3 meter. X बन जाए X 3 root 3 meter. Okay. Similarly, we take another triangle PQD. In triangle PQD, angle Q is equal to 90. Therefore, tan 45 is equal to PQ plus QD. What is the value of tan 45? 1 is equal to PQ3 divided by Y. Therefore, Y is equal to 3 meter. Okay. And we find the width of the river. Width of the river क्या होगा? CD. CD that is equal to X plus Y meter. ये हमें find करना है. Length of the width of the river. Therefore, CD is equal to QC plus QD. That is equal to X plus Y. X is equal to 3 root 3 plus 3. 3 common. Root 3 plus 1 meter. Therefore, the width of the river CD, that is equal to 3 into bracket root 3 plus 1 meter. That is final answer. Okay, ये हमारा final answer है. A building stands on a horizontal plane. Building stands on the horizontal plane. BC is the building, height of the building, which is stands on the horizontal plane. CD is the horizontal plane, and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff. Surmounted by a vertical flagstaff. Vertical flagstaff height that is h meter. Of height h meter. उसकी हाइट कितनी है? बिल्डिंग के ऊपर की साइड flagstaff है, and that height is h meter. At a point on the plane, at a point on the plane, plane के ऊपर के कोई point से, the angle of the elevation of the bottom and the top, bottom and the top of the flagstaff. Bottom of the flagstaff is point B, and top of the flagstaff is point A. Okay. Are made an angle alpha and beta. तो bottom के साथ एंगल क्या होगा? अल्फा, और टॉप के साथ एंगल क्या होगा? बीटा. देन प्रूव दैट द हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग मींस BC हमें प्रूव करना है. BC इज इक्वल टू h tan अल्फा डिवाइड बाय tan बीटा माइनस tan अल्फा. ओके, हाउ टू प्रूव? हियर CD is equal to X and find the height of the building, that is equal to Y. First we take a triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, angle C is equal to 90 and that angle is alpha. Tan alpha. What is the value of tan alpha? Tan alpha is equal to perpendicular divided by base, BC by CD. That is equal to BC by CD. Tan alpha value is Y divided by X. आ गया? Okay, tan alpha is Y by X. Therefore, what is the value of X? X की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? Y अपन tan alpha. Okay, X is equal to Y अपन tan alpha. आ गया? मीटर. इन दोनों का डिस्टेंस कितना है? X is equal to Y अपन tan alpha. Similarly, we take another triangle. Which triangle? Triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, In triangle ACD, angle C is equal to 90. Tan beta, that is equal to AC by CD. What is AC? AC is equal to H plus X. AC total length, that is H. AB is equal to H. BC is equal to Y, that is H plus Y. Okay, AC is equal to AB plus BC, that is equal to H plus Y. Tan beta as it is. AC is equal to H plus Y divided by CD. CD is equal to X. X और tan बीटा को इंटरचेंज कर देंगे. X is equal to H plus Y अपन tan बीटा. ओके, इतना हो गया मीटर. दैट इज रिजल्टिंग वैल्यू 2, रिजल्टिंग वैल्यू 1. दोनों में x x आ गए थे. x इज इक्वल टू y अपन tan अल्फा, x इज इक्वल टू h प्लस y अपन tan बीटा. इतना क्लियर हो गया. कंपेयरिंग रिजल्टिंग वैल्यू 1 एंड 2, तो x x दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. ओके, कंपेयरिंग रिजल्ट 1 एंड 2. we get, so y divided by tan alpha, that is equal to h plus y upon tan beta. हमें फाइंड क्या करना है? हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, that is equal to y. हमें y फाइंड करना है. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन, y into tan beta, h plus y into tan alpha. तो y tan beta, that is equal to h tan alpha plus y tan alpha. इतना हो गया. हमें y की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, तो y टर्म साथ में होना चाहिए. तो y tan alpha ट्रांसपोजिंग राइट साइड टू लेफ्ट साइड, y tan beta minus y tan alpha, that is equal to h tan alpha. Which term is common? Y is common. Therefore, y into bracket tan beta minus tan alpha, that is equal to h tan alpha. Therefore, what is the value of y? That is h tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. That is the height of the building. Okay, then hence we prove. Okay, h tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay.